in Cebu Pacific? First, it's either you download the Cebu Pacific application or you go to their website cebupacificair.com. Click the check-in button, which is found at the mid-bottom part. Enter your reference number as well as your surname. Click Continue. If you'd like to purchase some add-ons, tick these boxes. Of course, there's an additional fee for your choice. Click Continue. Click also this tiny box. Last but not least, click Check In Now. One more thing to do is to take a screenshot of your boarding pass. If you're not able to follow, do not worry, I got you. Let's do it one more time. The best part of online check-in is that you don't need to go to the airport too early for your flight. For domestic flights, you have to be there at least 2 hours prior to your trip. And for international trips, you have to be there at least 4 hours before it. Again, do not forget to print or take a screenshot of your boarding pass and bring with you your identification card.